Hola, buenos dias. ¿Cómo está? I hope you said good. I hope you said good. I'm doing all right. Had the day off for Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. And of course, I had to get out of the house. And no real rhyme or reason, but I remembered this little memorial right here. Wanted to start right here. And after that, who knows? Drive around, walk around, see what we see. Now, I remember many years ago reading I've Got a Dream, a speech by Martin Luther King Jr., and it really hit me. It really did. I was like, wow, it was a wonderful speech, and it just really spoke to me for some reason at that time. And still does, I guess. I need to reread it. It's been many years. But it was very well written. I've been to the mountain. Top. Now, I know there was a lot of rumors about his life, about his personal life, but you know, everybody gets that bad side in them and can't resist the different things of this world. But you got to hand it to him. He really went out there and stood up for what he believed, and got some things done. And of course, some jerk had to take a rifle out and shoot him. It's going to be one of those eclectic videos. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Just had to get out of the house since I had the day off. There's a little bit of busyness down here, downtown Albuquerque, but not a whole lot. Never walked this way before. It's a little crisp. It's nice to get a different view when you get out and actually walk in different areas, places that you wouldn't ordinarily see. I can't remember what that is, but I remember years ago that was an FBI building, and that's a huge building. Look at this shot here. That's awesome. I love these old brick buildings down here. I've learned that it's from about the 40s is when this light brick was started to be used as a building material. Love these colors. That's an old building. We are now under the viaduct. Is that what that's called? Viaduct? I think it's called that. I don't know. Okay, I'm down to Commercial and Marquette. I don't know if this is a place you should be walking around, but heck it! Well, I'm enjoying just walking around this new area. New to me. I was going to go here and there all over Albuquerque, but I think this is pretty interesting. I love finding new areas that I haven't explored before. I don't know what this building is here at all. Something to do with the railroad, maybe? But I love that architecture. Oh, I was going to go west from there, but this is the place down here with all the vintage signs. The old signs and neon and what have you. So let's go ahead and walk down another half a block or so. Then you know what's kind of funny and interesting is it wasn't too long ago that I'd be scared to death to be walking around some of the areas that I walk around. I don't mean just today, but last many videos. Walk around, well, even drive around, even drive in certain areas. Just the anxiety and uh-oh, something might happen. I just don't care anymore. I really don't. Less and less fear, I guess, the older you get. More years behind you than ahead of you. Well, shoot, this place is locked up. I was hoping it'd be open being a Monday and not a weekend, but let's check it out the best we can. Well, first, next door here is Cantina Real. I bet that's popular for the downtown crowd. Check out this old truck. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, then we've got a New Mexico State Fair truck right there. Oh, I wouldn't mind having that. That's fun. Now, I've shown this place a couple times, and things have definitely changed. Some things are the same. Lodge, Yucca Motel, Valencia Bar and Lounge. That looks familiar. I think I remember that. Oh, look at this old trolley back here. Yeah, these are new out here because nothing was up against the fence before. Club Cafe, look how large that sign is. Some old tractors and cabooses. Let me in! I want to walk around. They probably charge you to walk around this place. So cool. And that building right there. Wow, imagine. It says Southwest Brewery and Ice Company, 1899. I left a piping hot cup of caffeinated beverage in my car, and it's probably ice cold by now, but man, that would have been nice. It's just too hard to carry anything when I'm filming. So we're heading back where we were, and we're going to walk west on, what is it, Marquette? Okay, whew. Getting my steps in again. Last video I did hiking in the foothills, and today I'm wearing a knee brace. The things I do for a handful of views. One of these days. One of these days. Oh, I know where I am now. Right at the tracks here. That's the old wool warehouse. Oh, I've never seen the sign in the back. Oh, that's the only remaining sign, I think. Back in the 30s and 40s, that was actually wool. I mean, wool off of sheep. Interesting mural right there. Very abstract, but I like it. You can see the courthouse is back there. We are now on 1st Street. Now, do you remember Mike in Breaking Bad? Yep. Better Call Saul. That is his parking booth. Oh yeah, that's one of the first things I saw on that show. There it is right there. I can see him right now. Sitting in that booth. Bye, Mike. Have a good day. Don't kill anyone. Okay, I've never walked this way. I gotta remember where I parked. I only have about 30 minutes on a parking meter. And I think I've been gone a lot longer than that. So, that's all I need is another parking ticket. Ah, the old DoubleTree by Hilton. Nice. Never been in there. Pay to park. No, thank you. Danger, danger, Will Robinson. Yeah, this must be the laundry place right here. Depicting the workers in there. These are kind of hard to see with the cars here, but wow. How cool. Soft water laundry. Wow, the Rotary Club of Albuquerque, 1999. Honoring the past, imagining the future. You know I had to pop in here, check out the DoubleTree. I like to see how far I get before someone asks me, "What are you doing? Are you a guest here?" Nope, just loitering. Wow, this is pretty cool. Pretty darn nice. Oh, there's the breakfast bar. Wow, check out this wall. Celebrities and whatnot. John Denver. Cool. Well, here's the bar area. That's very nice. Well, I got the old regular looks. Like, what is he doing here? What is he doing? I think as long as you don't get around guests and stuff, it's okay. But no one told me to get the heck out, and that's a blessing. Walking by the old convention center. It is kind of old now. Believe it or not, this is the new convention center. Amazing tile work. Never ceases to... Hey, I think I know her. Never ceases to amaze me. Well, here we are, full circle at the Martin Luther King Memorial Park. Check out this old truck here. Wow, it's like a utility truck and big old air conditioning. And a little yellow panel wagon. Very cool. Now I'm adding about another half a block to my walk here because I just love the train station. I'm gonna... Ooh, that bus is quiet. How nice. I just love the train station. Yeah, history of the Alvarado Hotel. Into the sun there, but still awesome. Awesome sauceum. That's the old Southwest. Well, that's going to do it, folks. Walked around quite a bit. Didn't know exactly what I was going to do, but we honored Martin Luther King Jr. and his day today, and we saw some new things. I think it went pretty well. I hope you like it. I hope people will watch my video. I really do. Take care of yourself. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now. Keep seeing this Greyhound bus all over town. I don't know if he's on a tour or what.